My Stihl ms170 chainsaw has spark, new fuel and won't start even when I put a little 51 fuel in the cylinder.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Stihl chainsaw? How old is it?
It isn't mine, but I think it's 3 years old. Took the muffler apart yesterday and cleaned it.
How long has this been going on with your Stihl chainsaw? What have you tried so far?
Just started. I put in a new spark plug, checked the spark, new fuel, and cleaned the muffler. I would think it was the carb, but can't understand why it won't start when I put fuel in the cylinder.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
That's all.
Hello, thank you for contacting JustAnswer. My name is. I'll be happy to help with your question about your Stihl ms170.
Any help would be appreciated.
I understand you're having trouble with your Stihl ms170 not starting. Is that correct? Your approach to confirm spark and put fuel in the cylinder to test was spot on. Have you replaced the air filter? The next thing to do is confirm that you have compression in the cylinder. Do you have the tools to perform a compression test?
I put in new fuel, new spark plug, cleaned muffler. Even when I put a little fuel in cylinder, it won't start.
The next thing to do is confirm that you have good compression in the cylinder. Do you have the tools to perform a compression test?
Air filter is nearly new. I checked compression by pulling starter rope. Appears to have compression. I don't have any tools to check compression.
Compression must be checked by compression gauge. Good compression should be close to 100 psi.
I'll try to get that checked. If compression is okay, then what?
If compression is guy pod, spark is good, air filter is clean, then maybe need new carburetor. But it should have at least tried to turn over by pouring fuel in cylinder. That is why we must check compression. You have already done a great job with the troubleshooting.
Thank you for your assistance this early in the morning.
You are very welcome. If you have any further questions about your ms170, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for using JustAnswer, John.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.